Hello, as we say in Wales, moonshine!
Welsh.
I've recently noticed a few odd phrases in Welsh, which are a verb plus a condition or an emotion. Now, that's a bit of a mealy-mouthed explanation, so please allow me a minute to explain. With Halloween only a few short weeks away, you very well might find yourself... Is that right? Jump scare? Is that how you do those? Is that right? Is that a jump? Is that how you do a jump scare? I'm not that kind of cheap, vindictive monster, but if I were, then I would have been trying to scare you. Now, in Welsh, you can't really use the word as a verb in that kind of way. In Welsh, we have ofn, which can be translated to jitters, alarm, apprehension, dread, fear, fright, funk, scare, or terror. But if you turn this word into a verb, you get ofni, which means to feel fear, not to cause fear. For this we have Codi Ofn. Codi then is raise, arise, build, elevate, erect, grow, heave, hoist, levy, lift, pitch, rear, swell, take off or uplift. We'll focus on raise. So to Codi Ofn is to raise fear. And that's far more charming than scaring. It can work many angles, like it has cheeky connotations, like, oh, they're just doing a couple of pranks and raising a little bit of fear, that's all. They are just raising a bit of fear. Or it could be a very grim statement, as though terror itself is raising through the very floorboards beneath your feet, polluting the room into horror. Of course, the erect fear possibility is there also, which is when you get so scared that we get another less horror-based example when we take a moment to quench our thirst. This is perhaps an unusual example where the English phrasing is as odd as the Welsh. For example, you wouldn't quench anything other than thirst.
A good book quenched.
Oh, just quenched my cruciates!
Oh, you see this video, two girls quenching?
But why settle for quenching when you can do things the Welsh way? Yng Nghymraeg, you take a drink in order to Torri Syched. Syched is thirst, and Torri can mean amputate, breach, break, chop, contravene, cut, dig, discontinue, excise, fracture, hew, infringe, mow, pluck, sever, shear, slice, snap, snip, or violate. So in Welsh, we break thirst. And I mean, speaking of thirsty, I am getting a bit parched. Fideos newydd pob dydd Mercher ar dydd Sadwrn. Tan ysgrifwch and send in any pictures of yourself, either in order to Codi Ofn or pictures of yourself Torri Syched to this email address here. And I'll see you next time.